Hi guys, so I'm back with another video today. I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's get started. So I am doing the scattered method, and one thing you want to take into consideration when you are working on a rubber surface, on a silicone surface that is very bendable, you have to make sure you leave a little tiny gap. It does not have to be as much gap as I am doing, but a little tiny gap, because since they are bendable surfaces, you don't want those rhinestones rubbing onto each other so frequently, because they can cause for the rhinestones to fall off. So I did the fins from the bottom because that is going to be showing once I put the hand sanitizer in. That is a part that you can see. So I did the inside of the fins and the outer part of the fins. So I'm done with the fin, and I am going to be blinging out those two parts because that's going to be showing, but not the interior because that will not be showing. And now I am filling in the top fin. It's the same thing that I'm doing for the rest of the shark, but like I said, it is a very curvy part, so I'm trying not to use such big rhinestones for this. So I am done with the top fin, and this is how it's looking so far. Super cute. So now moving on to the rest of the back. And like I said, I will be using bigger rhinestones because it's more of a flat surface. So I can use the bigger rhinestones here. And just working my way down. So I am done blinging out this side of the tail, and now I'm going to do the front that you will be able to see once I put the hand sanitizer in. So I want everything to be blinged out, and I already like how the shark is looking right now just with the blue blinged out, but I was like, might as well go all out. So I am doing the white part, which is the mouth. So I am done with this tail now, and I'm moving on to the mouth. So you see, it already looks super cute just like that. I could have ended it like this, but I was like, no. So I am doing the mouth with clear, transparent rhinestones. There's no AB to this. It's just clear rhinestones to match with the background. And this is something you guys can do for beginners. When you don't have money to spend on rhinestones, you can always just buy transparent like these. You can see they're transparent. I had to use a black little tray so I could see them, because on the white I couldn't, to match any background that you're gonna work on. You know, it's completely up to you, but it's just a little quick tip. So yeah, that's what I did to match this white, and I just went around, did the same thing, scattered method. And yeah, it came out really cute. It looks like water drops, actually. Like the whole shark looks like it has water drops on it. And yeah, I loved it. I already put it on my keychain. So yeah, try it out. It's a really cute DIY that you can do at home. And it's really simple. So I am just about done, as you can tell. Super cute, like I said. I love it. And this is how it came out. So this is how you put the hand sanitizer in. Strawberry pound cake, my favorite scent. And yeah, that's it. Super, super cute. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked the video. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And see you guys in the next video.